Hey all, just wanted to give you a quick video on how my mini curriculum is set up. So under the hot topic, the gap between research and practice, there's a start here button, and I won't take you through each of these individually, but I just wanted to say that if you watch this video that I'm recording now, start here, and then watch this one so everything is in order. The module hitting the module button makes it easier to toggle. I find it a bit more difficult getting caught up in these, so just keep hitting the module button to get back to here. So you start here, and then obviously this goes in order. The learning objectives are fourth on purpose. It's because I'm asking you to kind of look at what my intent is, and so you kind of discuss this in the brainstorming section. But anyway, there's a point to this flow. It does flow and just go from one to the next to the next. I hope that you get something from it, and thanks so much, and I'll talk to you soon.